Good evening, students of class 10. Today we are going to complete the chapter Political Party. This chapter is very important. You can get 5 marks question from this chapter. The things we are going today is also very important, so keep it in mind. I think you must have remembered the previous portion of this chapter. So, recognized political party. The heading is recognized political party. Every political party has to register with the election commission. In 9th you have read about election commission. Election commission treat all party equally, but election commission gives some party special facilities. The party that those party are large and established party, they get symbols, and these symbols are given only to use only the officials candidates, and this symbol, which party gets this symbol is called recognized political party. And I want to say you that election commission has fixed some criteria for to be a recognized political party about the percentage of votes and about the seats to win in the election. Now we are going to discuss about national recognized political party and a state recognized political party. So you can get a question, what is difference between a state recognized political party and national political party? So when a party secures 6% of vote in an election and 2 seats in legislative assembly, this party is called recognized state party. And when a party gets 6% of vote in Lok Sabha or 4 states assembly election or 4 seats in Lok Sabha, that party is called recognized national party. So you will get the difference between recognized state party and recognized national party. You have to write this, and you should know that there are 6 national political parties and many states political parties. Today I am going to also tell you about national political party. There are 6 national political party. We should read about that, but the most important is Bharatiya Janata Party. You know that Bharatiya Janata Party founded in 1980 by reviving an erstwhile Bharatiya Jansan. This party wants a strong and modern India. This party wants a strong and modern India, and this inspiration this party gets from ancient culture and values. Hindutva or Hindutva is its basic thing, which it had got from ancient culture. It believes in nationalism, and its concept is nationhood, and its politics is also nationalism. Bharatiya Janata Party wants that uniform civil law for all persons irrespective of religion and bans religious beliefs. This party also believe that full territorial state, India should be a full territorial state, and Jammu Kashmir should be integrated part of India. And this party was in 1990, this party has increased its power and influence, but it was only it was expanded in only north, west, and urban areas, but later it expanded north, east, south, east and west, and rural areas also. And nowadays we can say that this party is in central government, and this party is performing its best performance because it has decided in its manifesto many things, election manifesto, and it has fulfilled. Like in Ayodhya, Mandir will be established, founded, and another thing, Jammu Kashmir will be Indian territories, and we have that its foreign policy is also that all foreign countries believes India that it has a strength with China. So you will remember this party very nicely because this is very important. Thank you.
370 का क्वेश्चन 370 का क्वेश्चन
Nice.